it is Brandy Chanell, and if you're new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to fashion to you to pretty much all things beauty, lifestyle, and everyday living. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang. All right, let's get on with the subject matter at hand. All right guys, as you can tell by the title of this video, it is another press-on nail video. I will leave several iCards above of other press-on nails, especially from Dashing Diva, since these are on Dashing Diva. I believe these are still available. I will confirm via the description box, but I wanted to show you guys, I actually got these nails last year, and they are called P085 Happy Medium. These are so cute. They're like the coffin shaped. I've had them on, I think, maybe a week today, or maybe 5 or 6 days. I can't really remember. Anyways, these are super cute. Absolutely love them. I'm gonna show you guys how to apply these nails. I always use extra glue. I use the Kiss. It's got a kind of teal label on it. I will show it to you, I believe, in the video. If I don't, I will insert the glue here. And I will leave the details, the cost, and I will let you guys know, again, if these are on Dashing Diva. These are called the Dashing Diva Magic Press. Comes with 30 nails. They are long, they are gorgeous, they're super colorful, they're Eastery. I know Easter's over, but you know, he is risen. They are spring. They give me all kind of spring, summer vibes. Yes, I love the different tips. And so without further ado, let's get into it. All right guys, here are the nails up close and personal. Again, this is P085 Happy Medium. So first what I do is I like to push my cuticles back, and I like to just so that when my nails start to grow, the nails don't lift up. And then I'll take a nail file and file the top of my nails. I found that it helps the nails stay on when any oil or anything is removed from the top of your nail. Then I'll just open it up and kind of decide on what design I want to do, and I'll lay the nails out. First I'll match them up to my nail size, and then I'll lay them out depending on how I want to do the design. And that's what I'm doing right now. And just kind of matching them out, make sure they fit. And that's about it, girl. So here is the design I chose. And this is the glue, again, that I use. I use this on all brands of press-on nails, and they help to keep them on at least an additional 3 to 4. Sometimes I can stretch it out an extra week because I have this glue. So what I'll do is I will take the clear piece, if you can see here, that's a clear backing because the nail already has adhesive on there. If you don't want the nails to stay on longer than a day or two, you don't need extra glue, but I like to add extra glue. So I'm going to take that adhesive piece off the covering, and then I'm going to put just 1 drop of glue. Make sure you don't do too much glue because it can bleed out into your finger, like into your cuticle, and then that is just not cute, girl, because then you have glue all on your cuticles. But then you just take it and press it down, and I usually like to roll my finger back and forth. And definitely when you have a nail that has kind of a clear or natural look at the bottom, you want to make sure that you press that glue out because it'll create glue bubbles, and it's just not cute. But if they're all the same color and it's like a not like a French manicure type of thing, then you can't really see it, but you just want to do that movement so that your nails don't lift up. And then again, doing the same exact thing, peeling the clear sticker off and putting the glue on, placing it on my nail, and I'm going to do the rest of the nails, and I'll come back. Oh, here I am. Here's the final set, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this super quick video. These nails are super cute. I love the different colors. It's so springy, so summery. It's all kinds of a coffin vibe. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Hopefully was fast. And let me know if you guys have tried any other Dashing Diva nails. I absolutely love the nail stickers. I know that's not what they're called, but that's what I call them. The nail stickers where you just put the gel sticker on your nail. Those last the best to me. But I do love a press on every now and then. But yeah, I'm definitely down for the stickers. I'll leave an iCard or videos
over here of some other nail videos, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Oh, and don't forget to press that subscribe button if you made it this far. All right, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.